Okay, good everyone. So the last time we talked about minor chord substitution. So today we are going to talk about major chord. Major chord. So let's get to it straight away. Major chord. So what is major chord? From C, we're going to do this on F. So F major scale, F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, and F. So what is the major chord of F? You just count 1 to 3 from F. 1, 2, 3. This is the major chord. What is the major chord of G? 1, 2, 3. This is the major chord of G. So just count 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 semitones between the root and the major chord. Like last week I said, you have 3 semitones from the root to the minor chord. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So you won't count the first one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is also major chord will be 4 semitones. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the major chord of B flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. So major chord of C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Major chord of D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Major chord of E. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's it. So this is the major chord. So last week we used 7 chords. 7 chords. I voiced the chords this way. So by the root, the 5th, 7th, 3rd, and 5th again. So okay. So let's play a song. So instead of playing this same song, how great is our God, sing with me, how great is our God. So the progression, you know, how great is our God. Sing with me, 7, 3, 6, 7, 3, how great 6 is our God. So again, how great is our God, 7, sing with me, 3, how great 6 is our God, then 2, oh, 5, how great 4. This is the way I play mine. We have been following. So from 5 you can go to 1, but the space, if the space is not there, just go to 4 straight. How great is our God. So instead of playing 7 now, I'm going to substitute with the major chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. So with this, okay. So instead of playing 3, of course, I'm going to use this. Then instead of playing 2, I'm going to use the major chord. This is the 2, right? This is the major chord of 2. This is the major chord of 7. Okay. So it's how great is our God. Then yeah, sing a cool chord here. Sing. So here I have, don't forget, this is the major chord of E, which is the 7th note. A flat, C, E flat, G. Then here I have C, E flat, and A. That's because of the melody. Sing with me. Then here I have a tritone chord here and augmented chord here. So you have C sharp, G, B, E flat, and G. Then 6, normal. There is a God. So yeah, just play tritones, walk down. So then so you play 5 here. So how great is our God. Say with me, how great is our God. So let's take it again. How great is our God, and say with me, how great is our God. Then 2 now. So F, instead of playing 2, just play the major chord. F, how great. So this also the 5th major chord. So just play the diminished chord. So still tritone. How great is our God. So let's take it together. How great is our God. Then say with me, how great days are gone. Okay, this is what I did here. Just source chord. Okay, so that's major third. Of course, if you don't want to stay on the days are gone, you can come back here, use a minor third back to 6, or a tritone sub, which will be this, to 6. Okay, so if you don't understand tritone substitution, it's on my channel there, so just check it out. All right, thank you.